back here on Barry 66. He took it out this weekend. Drove it down to Palm Canyon, went to lunch, and went out, and she wouldn't start. Her voltage appears to be good. Alright. And this battery is manufactured 9 of 20. I gotta look and see when we put it in if it's under warranty or not, but I'm gonna load test it. Goes right to weak. Pretty fast down to bad. So this battery has a dead cell. I can tell that for sure. But I want to try to fire it up. It probably won't light now, but I'm going to try to fire it up and see if we get output or not. I'll put the multimeter on it. But if I can't get it to fire, then I'm going to put it here on the battery charger and come back a little later and see what we got. Yeah. So the other complaint Barry has had is the generator light has always been just staying on lately. So I'm going to charge the battery, see what we got, and then we'll go from there. Back over on Barry 66. Left the battery on the charger overnight. His charger says it's charged. So it's charged / maintaining. I'm going to pull this off, try to get her lit, and then we're going to see if the alternator is putting out. So go from there. So unhook. Let that baby chill. I'm going to get her started in the car. RPM we give it. Gen light goes on and off. That's probably like 2300 RPM. Cruising down the road and gen light's on. So we're gonna check output right now. We're gonna get a little temp in her first. And then see. Alright. So we're hovering right at about 13 volts here. Give this baby a little bit of... We're not putting out what we need to put. I know this isn't the most accurate thing in the world. I think it's only dirt and beat shit. But, ow! I also have friggin' so we need to chase in here and find out. So I'm going to pull this alternator and go test it on our tester.